Ayaw pa nila maghiwalay eh. Ayaw pa ng customer maghiwalay. Yung salamin.
Hello, what's up everybody? This is Anthony B TV. So, the video for today is the how to repair your broken frame. So we're now one of our friend that he made the soldering. Yeah, so now he's trying to get the lead that he will use to join the broken arm. Let's watch the video how he repair the broken frame, especially the arm. So he's now using the acetylene or flame. You need to heat, you need to burn the metal that has a broken. So you need to combine to join the two broken, so the arm and the other piece of that frame, especially the arm. So usually the problem with glasses is always to broke the arm. So now he will combine using with the lead. Now he's not burning the glasses and joining the broken one into the arm. So they need to be careful. This is a professional. You can see this guy, this kind of this technician. You can go to any jewelry shop in your place, because they're the one with joining or connecting, especially the jewelry, the necklace, the rings, yeah, especially the eyeglasses. They can do also. So they can use gold plating, they can use silver plating. So as you can see, it's very fast now. So it's done. I need to put the proper screw. If you have a jewelry shop in your place, if you want glasses that like the style, you don't want to buy new ones, so they're expenses. So yeah, you can drop them, by the shop and make a soldering, or like a welding the eyeglasses. So that's it for today. So thank you for watching. So again, we have another technician that, as you can see, same as well. So for a while, so now this is it's done. So this is another guy, same as well. He will join the broken arm as well. Usually the problem with glasses is on the arm. So first, he will hit first the other piece. Yes, having the lead, then combine into the frame itself. As you can see, you need to burn it well to be able to combine the broken piece. After that, you need to dip on the water to be able to cool down. So now you will screw and fix glasses. So again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, and share, and hit the notification bell. If you have any suggestion or you want to know something about my eyeglasses, don't hesitate to comment and request, and we will tackle that later on. Okay, so thank you for watching. This is TV. Peace out. So keep on watching. Thank you.